Today, we're going to Hong Kong. We're going to the plane now. We're trying to find our seat. We're going to the train. We're gonna get the luggage. We're riding the trolley. We're on the train now and we're going to the hotel. Yoni is with Mommy and I am with Daddy. There's a lot of buildings. We're in a taxi. We're at the hotel now. We're gonna take an elevator. We're going to our room. Our room is the last door. We don't know how to open it. We need a card. Our room is the last door on the right. There's 2 beds and 2 bathrooms. 1 toilet and then the shower area. Hi, we're at the statue toilet. We're going out. We're exploring now. That's 1 tall building. There's a tram. We're going to ride a peak tram. It will go up. The peak tram. An old tram. It looks beautiful. It looks like it's real life. We're gonna ride the elevator. No, that's an escalator. Walk-a-lator. Walk-a-lator. We're gonna ride the tram. That's the peak tram, but later we're gonna ride it, but not now. It's already full. We need to wait it until it comes back. Bye-bye, tram! It's coming back to get more passengers. First, the passengers have to go out the other side. Maybe this is the front. The front. The tram has no front or the tram has no back. It goes forward and backward. We're riding it already. The floor is wavy. It's programmed to go up and down every day. It looks like the buildings are falling because it's the tram that's sideways. No, slantways, not sideways. That's the Madame Tussauds. You can see wax figures. That's Doctor Strange. There's Marvel. You will take a picture and then you will see your face in a comic. We're going out now. Oh, there's a Candylicious plane. There's some baby shopping carts. Little shopping carts. Here's some kisses. Are there any hugs? There's Hershey's, the Reese's, the kisses.
Si Birdie. Birdie. Si Green Maze. Where's Green Maze?
That's the Bear Workshop. That's the machine full of cotton, which he used to fill the toys with cotton to make not combo. Yeah, combo's good. They're moving. Ah, the monkeys. We're at the playground. We're choosing where to play. Oh, Yuni's climbing so high. Whee! I like that kind of slide. Oh, I'm scared. Sometimes I'm scared of heights, but sometimes I'm not. You can climb there. Whee! It's a slide for two. We also went here when Yuni was a baby, but Yuni was asleep with Mommy. This time, both of us are playing. That's a ladder. Wiggly. A wiggly ladder, but I also have ladders at my school. At our playground, but they're not wiggly. And the playground's we're gonna do an obstacle course. Ada's doing that. It's hard to do. Yuni's doing rock climbing when she reached the top. And also, can she do the obstacle course?
Sige, punta kayo dyan.
Sometimes I fall off the obstacle course. Ooh.
Oh, ganda.
You can see the trees. Ooh, that's a lot of trees. Like a road. Yeah, there is a road. We're going there now. Ooh, it looks like a boat. We're going to the rooftop. That's where we were dancing. When I was a baby, I was dancing. I was just 1 year old and I'm dancing. Yuni was 1 year old when we went there, when we last went there, and then we came back there. Yuni was running around and then I was dancing. Now I'm big now. And both of us are dancing. I'm gonna try it. We're gonna try the telescope.
Tingnan. Ay, makita mo? Sige, gala-gala.
See something? No. Show me.
Mga building lang kasi lagi pa. Pag lang yung mga building.
We're both dancing again. Now we're walking backwards. Now Yuni's running. Now we're running around. At this set, Yuni's skipping around. Yuni's dancing. She's just running around dancing. We're gonna eat a Jollibee. We're eating at the basement. I always have burger steak. And burger steak also. Yummy. But you don't like the one in the Philippines. They're just the same. I can slice my chicken. Thank you for watching. Remember, subscribe and hit the like button. Click it, click it, click it. I just clicked it right now.